What you're looking at is the monthly revenue generated by some of the top selling courses here on Udemy. While these results aren't average, this just shows you how massive of an opportunity selling courses on Udemy can be. Hi, my name's Sumner Hobart. I'm a top-rated instructor here on Udemy, and in less than 6 months, I went from knowing absolutely nothing about selling courses online to generating $4,000 per month teaching topics that I'm extremely passionate about here on Udemy. I honestly believe that selling courses on Udemy is the #1 best kept secret to generating passive income online, and by the end of this course, you will have every single thing that you need in order to generate real, sustainable, passive income that gives you the freedom that you deserve. Unlike any other course, you will learn why Udemy is the #1 way to generate passive income online, proven by actual data, how to find topics with high demand and low competition quickly, like a pro, how to read the minds of your future students to know exactly what they need and what they want, how to create stunning course content, even on an extremely tight budget, how to convince students to choose you over every single one of your competitors, how to rank on page 1 of Udemy for 100% free, the secrets used by the top 1% of Udemy instructors, and so much more. And you can see the course content for yourself and even watch some of the videos for free right now. If you want to start generating real passive income around topics that you're passionate about with little to no experience and little to no money up front, then this course is for you. If this isn't the best Udemy course you have ever taken, Udemy will refund your entire amount within 30 days guaranteed. You literally have nothing to lose and so much to gain. Enroll now, and I look forward to sharing my secrets with you inside.